If ever you will buy stuff like this, make sure that it doesn't work you. Make sure that it works for you. What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And tech! I have tech! Finally, after so long of talking just about shoes and sneakers, and shoes and sneakers, and more shoes and sneakers, we have tech. This is the new iPhone XS Max, and this video will talk about why would anybody spend like over 80,000 pesos to buy a friggin' smartphone. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are raffling away not an iPhone, we are raffling away sneakers. We're raffling away the ZX500 RM. We're raffling away a 10,000 peso outlet shopping trip with me. We're raffling away a 3,000 peso carousel sneaker gift certificate. And we're raffling away limited edition NBA Crep Protect spray. Subscribe now. Follow me on IG, hit the notification bell, click the links down below for the mechanics of all of those giveaways. Boom! Why would anybody buy a phone that's worth 80,000+ pesos? 80,000+ pesos. The 512 gig model of this phone is 99,000 pesos. 99,000 pesos for a smartphone. There used to be a time when 99,000 pesos for a smartphone was the price that you would pay to get it ahead of everybody else, and resellers would charge an arm and a leg for you to be able to get it because they would have to source it from different countries. Now, 99,000 pesos is the actual SRP of the smartphone. 99,000 pesos. Now, I'm actually over-exaggerating how I feel because just for the entertainment value, but allow me to share with you guys why I ended up buying this iPhone. This is my iPhone 8 Plus, and I've been using it for quite a while now. Now, alternatively, I also have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now, why are smartphones important for me? Because for me, smartphones make money. These smartphones that I have in my hand make me money. These smartphones aren't just devices that I use to play games. These devices aren't just used to watch YouTube. These devices aren't just used to post Instagram pictures or to check out what my friends are talking about on Facebook or to check out what people are doing, my friends are doing on Instagram, so I feel bad about myself because I'm not living the life they are enjoying. So these smartphones are important to me because they are the tools of my trade. I literally do so many things in my life, juggling a lot of things from being an executive in an office to doing this vlog to managing multiple teams of the businesses that I'm involved in, and most of them happen, ta-da, on this phone. But more importantly, more than the communication aspect of this phone is the lifeblood of this vlog, this sneaker vlog. Why do I say that? This camera that I'm using here, this is the Canon M6 with the wide lens, and that's the reason why I can go wide, I can go tight. So yeah, it just uses a wide lens. I have a ring light, very simple. But if you watch me actually vlog, I don't usually carry this giant thing with this GorillaPod when I go out with the camera because I just find it too cumbersome. I just find it too weird. It's not me. That's why my style is mostly talking to you guys sitting down. That's where I'm most comfortable at. Now, most of the time, if you take a look at my footage, it's actually just taken from either my iPhone or from my Huawei Mate 20, and I just do voiceover. And that's why these two devices are important to me because they're not just used for texting, they're not just used for calling, they're not just used for watching videos and consuming content, they're used for creating content. And that's the reason why this phone, why anybody would pay that much amount of money for this phone, I think is the real reason why you should shell out that amount of cash. Buy phones like this if you will use it to create. Buy phones like this if you will use it to make you more money. Buy phones like this if this will help you to become more productive with what you do. If this phone is just something that you will use to watch stuff, if this phone is just something that you'll do Facebook, if this phone is just something that you will use to pass spare time reading whatever, then not worth it. Not worth it at all. The 90 plus thousand pesos, the 80 plus thousand pesos, use it somewhere else, use it for business. That is too much hard-earned money to spend on something that you will not use to make you more cash. However, if you can find a business, if you can find like something that you can do that allows you to monetize this, to give you ROI, to give you back that money in spades, then this is worth it. So you're probably thinking right now, hey Carlo, isn't that too much? I mean, your iPhone 8 Plus is already great. I mean, you can take so much more content with it. Why would you use this one over this one and stuff like that? For the simple reason that the storage on this one is very low. I think it's like 64 or something. It's not the highest storage that you can get. So I am running out. So I am thinking of just giving this to my wife or selling it to be able to offset the spend that I have with this one. I take so many videos with this one. All the sneaker shopping, all the outlet trades, even a lot of the B-roll that you guys see. It's just this one with my gimbal. I actually have this gimbal over here from DJI. A lot of the footage is taken with these two things, and I really wanted to figure out a way to get a new phone. So in short, I was already in the market for a bigger sized iPhone. I mean bigger size, I mean bigger storage. Then just this came along. Guys, remember, the digital economy, the digital era rewards people who create. They do not reward people who consume. I would rather have all of you become YouTubers yourselves, make money doing YouTube than just watching me every time I upload the vlog. Be creators. Don't be consumers. If ever you will buy stuff like this, make sure that it doesn't work you. Make sure that it works for you. And with that, we go to the unboxing. I actually don't need this knife because Apple is really cool when it comes to their unboxing. You actually just have to pull this plastic over here. So this is your typical iPhone XS Max box. So it's white, it's your typical iPhone box, nothing too special about it. So let's just pop it open. It says here, Apple designed in California. Let's just remove, woo! As you guys can see, I got this one in space gray or black. Looks really great. I mean, look at that. It looks friggin' amazing. It looks really cool. So this is the iPhone XS Max. It comes with your earpods with a lightning connector. It comes with the lightning cable and then the charger. Now, I won't go over what all the other vloggers are saying, that Apple is ripping off people with their money when they don't put in all the accessories like the AirPods, the fast charger, and all of that stuff. The reality is Apple does that. They want to do it. They want to make more money. So if you want to keep supporting their products, guys, that's the price that you have to pay because it is their business. It isn't yours. So yeah, they want to keep doing it that way. Let them keep doing it. I mean, you do have the choice of just buying something else, right? I also did get a case for it. This is the OtterBox. When I was still a tech reviewer, all my phones, all the expensive phones that I would buy, I would usually get an OtterBox case. Why? Because this is hella stuff. I mean, I did like a bunch of videos on our tech channel, unbox.ph, of me throwing iPhones around with encased in this, and it really always survived. So I got the Symmetry case. The Symmetry case is just a transparent case that's built to properly support and take care of the iPhone. So I will be putting it here when I start it up and start updating and fixing it. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the iPhone XS Max, and I hope I was able to share with you guys at least a few lessons on why you would even want to consider buying expensive phones like the iPhone, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, or the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and all of the crazy smartphones selling for over 50,000 pesos, 90,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos here in the Philippines. At the end of the day, these are just tools. These are just devices. And I mean, there's this popular Philippine saying, wala sa pana yan, nasa Indian yan. That basically means it is the marksman that counts, it is not the bow and arrow. And it's the same thing here. Make the phones work for you. Make the phones make you more productive. Make the phones make you money. Make the phones make you provide for your family. Make the phones enable you and empower you to create a better future for yourself, for your loved ones, for your children, for your family. And then I think if you think about it that way, and if you actually execute it against that plan, then the money is worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please do give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. Leave a comment down below what smartphone you guys want to cop for Christmas. I hope you're all having a great weekend. Peace God bless. Wasa.